How to fix camera and webcam problems in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings, click on Privacy. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find Camera. Click on Camera and you'll find Camera Access for this device. Press on Next, and if this access is not turned on, make sure you turn camera access for this device on. After you turn it on, simply refresh your device. After that, your problem will be fixed. You will be able to use your camera in all types of apps. And this is how to fix camera and webcam problems in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.